Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Cancers. And I also have a fairy tale special pick a card love reading, so that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have world, love, and 10 of fire. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your personal life. Maybe for some of you, you have lot of burdens or lot of responsibilities on your shoulders. And you just want to take a break away from them or find the right way to handle everything effectively, guys. And you are maybe scheduling yourself, dividing your time, trying to find the right way, and you are have lot of work to do, and you feel that you are overcommitted, and you are maybe giving up few responsibilities, or you don't want to you no longer want to hold on to the things that are not good for you, or maybe some circumstance, or it may be people. You feel that you don't need them anymore, or they do not value you enough, so you are giving up that relationship or that circumstance. So you are trying to avoid certain things for you, so that way you are trying to find time for yourself, guys. Cancers, so you are trying to reduce your responsibilities. Maybe for some of you, you just want to take a break, go on a holiday with this person you love, spend time with them, have fun, and do the things you like. So you are trying to give up those responsibilities. Maybe it may be work responsibilities you have. So you are making some changes in your life today, guys. And you are changing the way you see your situation, guys. Your perception is changing, and you are having that acceptance. Maybe you have accepted your negatives or whatever mistakes you did, and you are ready to accept what this person is saying. So that acceptance is changing the way things are going, guys, or you yourself are changing so much, so that may take you to a different level in this relationship, in this love. You may feel that your love is turning to be something unconditional. You love this person no matter what, and you know in your heart of hearts what you have done, what are your the drawbacks, the negative aspects of your characteristics, and you have that acceptance for this person also. So simply you are just going with the flow wherever life is taking you today, guys. Cancers, so let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have the Fool. So you are feeling really inspired. Maybe for some of you, you may have your intuition guiding you today, and you have that inspiration to take any risk for this person. You are willing to risk everything for this love, guys. Maybe for some of you, you are doing it as an impulsive action, because you love them and you have your hearts full of love for this person. That may be the reason you are ready to do anything for this love, guys. You are without any thought, maybe for your future or what will be the outcome. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have High Priestess. So with this card, it just means that you are maybe understanding what went wrong, the secret behind your circumstances, and you know how to make things right for you, for your work situation, guys. And you have that trust and faith in yourself, and based on your experience you are moving in a positive way, guys, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards and it is going to be a special pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading. So let's see what is your story. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, or you can choose with the crystals here. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will move this card aside. We will see what is the card for y'all, guys, with this crystal. And what is the card? We have the princess who never smiled, healing. So that is the card for y'all, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So in your situation today, guys, you are healing. Maybe you would have faced some difficult situation in your relationship or in your life. A lot of struggles you had been through and it was quite depressing, and you were really in sadness, grieving. Maybe someone has moved out or some kind of stress. Maybe you would have gone through a breakup, something that was worrying you a lot. But today with this card, the energy is that your grief is coming to an end today, guys. So in your situation, all that grief, troubles or whatever struggles you were facing, it is coming to an end today, guys. And you are going to meet a loving, honest person, kind and compassionate soul, who is going to heal your heart, who is going to make you laugh, and all your stress and all your depressing times are coming to an end today, guys. And there are certain positive, unexpected things waiting to unfold for you in your love. So you may find this person, you may not know them before, but you may just find them accidentally, or they may come into your life accidentally, and they are going to heal you all that negative energy that you have, all that sadness and stress, whatever it is, and they are going to make you laugh. And these changes are forever, guys, and it is going to help you for the better. So that is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card, guys. For those who chose the second crystal and the second card, we have the day boy and night girl, balance. And the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card and this crystal. So today you are moving towards that balance in your life, guys. Maybe you are afraid of that warmth of love or joy that you experience in your relationship, or you are hiding from the darkness, maybe that boredom or stillness you feel. Maybe sometimes we feel stuck, we don't know what to do. That quietness, or some stressful times, maybe some arguments or stress, whatever negative things that are there. So, in order to make this relationship flourish, we have to find that balance in our relationship, in our life, guys. Only then we will have that wholeness or completeness in our life. So, you need to overcome your fears, and there is someone helping you. Maybe this person you love, they are helping you come out of your fear, or whatever stress, or whatever you are trying to avoid, maybe, guys. So this is the time for you to give up your fear and start fresh, have that freshness in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are healing from your traumatic past. Maybe your childhood days, you would have seen some bad things, or some really worrying experiences, but you are coming out of it, you are healing from it, and there is a whole new world right in front of you to explore today, guys. And this person may be helping you out today to experience that happiness, or that wholeness in your situation, trying to find that balance and trying to adapt that positive and negative energies we all have within ourselves, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.